Hi, let's talk about the fastest ways to relieve you of your constipation at home. And constipation is simply a situation where you have for a long time house stool sitting in your colon, that is your large intestine, and it has always been a common problem and very uncomfortable to experience. So here are some of the fastest ways to treat your constipation at home. Number one is to go for raw lemon juice. Lemon has vitamin C which fights and flushes out toxin. It also contains citric acid which acts as a natural laxative. So a warm glass of lemon juice morning and evening will be really great for you to treat your constipation. Number two is ginger tea. It boosts heat in the body, speeding up sluggish digestion, and also has mild laxating effects that promotes bowel activity. So taking ginger tea twice in a day will quickly treat your constipation. The last home remedy is coffee tea, and coffee relaxes the intestinal muscles, accelerating bowel movement. So a cup or two will really help you greatly. Now, a combination of ginger and lemon juice twice a day will be the perfect recipe for you if you suffer from constipation a lot. And if you want to know the number one common mistake we make with constipation, I put a video right here. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up by tapping the like icon you see right on the screen, and also comment and share this video with all your loved ones. Hey, always remember that God wants you healthy. Your health, your life.